Well, today I am in Glen Coe, as you can see. I'm going to try and get some sunset images while I'm here. That's what I'm here for. So the sun's breaking through. It is freezing. Some wee woman has just gone for a swim down at the falls there. What's the benefits? Answers on a Mars bar in the post, please. Thanks. I don't know what it is. But anyway, I'm wrapped up today. I'll turn you around maybe. No. Oh. I don't know how to turn it around yet. So here I'm here. As you can see, I'm a bit wrapped up today because there's snow here. Bloody loves a bit of snow. I walked by the falls. I've done the falls a few times. I maybe get a shot on the way back, I don't know. But it's not a shot I'm after. I'm after a shot up here, right up round the corner. Take me a wee bit to get to. It's quite busy up here, so I better crack on. I've got my nice wee hat on. I was wearing that yesterday, nice and there. Keep me warm. Got my big jacket on. Got my thermals on. I've got my gloves on. I brought my camera. I thought back on again. What's that all about? This hat looks a bit more normal. I was wearing my madness hat last time. It didn't look right. But I know there's falls up here. Hopefully the clouds will come through. We'll get some nice light. It's a bit of a walk, so I'll say bye-bye for now and I'll get you when I get there. So I think this will be the first shot. Got nice wee rocks here. We've got the waterfall there. We've got the mountain there. But I'll tilt the camera down so that it makes the mountain that wee bit higher, if you like. It's quite deep there, so I'll just stick to the ledge. We'll see what we can get. Well, the light's quite nice, and there's snow there. I wonder if that woman's froze down there in that wee pool of water. Anyway. Okay, so I've set a shot up. I don't really like this bit. I'll probably go around the corner to the other bit of falls there, which I think I shot the last time. So we'll record this, possibly, maybe no. The shot I'm looking at is just that wee waterfall coming from the right to the left. I've got some of that rock in, and I've got the mountain in. So I'll take a shot now. I'll focus 3/4 of the way down. Just at the left hand side there. So focus, 2-second timer. Take a picture. I'm at F18, believe it or not. I'm going up the shutter speed. And I'm glad to put my ND filter on, because right now I've just got my polarising filter on. I don't know about this shot. It looks good in that camera. I don't know how good it'll look when it's processed. I don't like this shot anyway, so I'm going to move up, I think. I might just move up this way a wee touch first and try a portrait shot. Closer to the water flowing. Make sure I don't go over the edge there. You know? So aye, be here, I think. Camera's still rolling. We're good. We're set up this wee shot here. I'll expose for the sky first, so I'll focus on the mountain first here. And we'll focus for the sky, so the sky's nice and dark blue. And now that's it. 10th of a second, F18. I don't think I need 18. So I'll go 16 or 14 maybe. 14 I think I'll go. I've got to take the shutter speed down a wee bit to get a wee bit of movement in the water. And I'll focus again. I'm just focusing on the rocks that are just at the edge there. And again, I'll do it again because I want this rock here on the right hand side on the bottom, which is quite dark. I want to lighten that up a wee bit. I'll focus on that rock now, and that's the last image I'll take. Take that, 2 second timer, 1/6 of a second, f14, ISO 50. Too bright, so I'm going to take the shutter speed up. 50 a second. Try that. Should be okay. So I should get that shot there. I'm going to now move up. No, camera's broken. It's only over back. It's only a new Galaxy £1,000 phone. The wife would say to me, never worry, it's just a bit of wind. Right, let's get this sauce set back down and we'll move up a bit. Two seconds. It's a good job it went backwards and no frontwards. Don't speak too soon, Les, because it might just do that. It's a bit windy. Right, so I think we'll stop there and we'll move up. Right, so I moved up a wee touch just for doing that rock there to here. This shot here, I'm starting, focus point is here, then I'm focused in the middle, and then I'm focused on the mountain. And the mountain's a 30-second exposure, just to get that wee bit of movement off the top of it there, with the clouds moving by. As you can see, I'm not recording on that phone there, I'm just using it as a viewer now, and I'm not using my HDMI to show you everything. Not the now until I get set up. So the shot is for there, basically in the waterfalls up to the mountain. Now I'm going to go down there to the edge of the water, try to get lower down, because my tripod's fully up right now and I want to go down there and I want to set it up and get something a bit better and more drama. So here goes. Okay, so I've moved down a bit here for this shot, try to get the water in, flowing, so it's in the camera there. And I've done a couple of exposures, different apertures as well, just to lighten up the water and then darken down the mountain and the sky. It's a portrait mode shot. My ISO is up now to 320 ISO. My wellies are in the water. I'm going to try to get another couple of shots here because I don't know what's happening. There must be something that I can photograph better than this wee touch here. So I'm going to move about, see what's happening, see what I can get. I like that bit of waterfall there. If I zoom in a wee bit to that wee bit there and try and get that. So I'm throwing you about here as if I'm pointing. So I'm going to try again, so here we go. So we're back again. I've shot this one here. I've done a wee panel, so I'm getting to the bottom of the rocks. I think it's 3 shots, and then one in the middle, and up to the mountain. I've had to move the shutter speed up and down to expose for a wee bit. So I'm still at 320 ISO, 50 a second, 5.6 for the last shot, focusing on the mountain. So as we've done here, I think I might move a wee bit more. We'll see what we can get, if anything. Hopefully if the shot turns out, I'll let you see the shot. Other than that, I will move on. So I think I've done here, I've got 3 pictures maybe. I'm going to move on up in the water. I know there on the hill there we've got the cottage, but I know there should be better pictures up there. I'm sure we got a better one the last time I was here, but anyway, what's better? Better being outside than being in, even though I think my face is frozen, but hey, I'm sniffing the crowd. Anyway, I'm going to move up, see what else is here. Now look, there's the sun. Up the ski centre, up the slopes. I'm going back to be up the other day, it's a bit cold. Anyway, I'm going to move on now, see what I can get. Ooh, got my hood up now. Not having. So I had my hood up. I better stop and put it back up. Because I'll tell you what, it's nippy here. I'll go back to my van and have a nice hot noodle. So I will. Once I'm finished, right enough. Right, I've come up to these falls now. Way back down there. Quite a trek, but ground's looking nice through there. There's plenty of waterfalls here, as you can see. So we'll have a wee go here. I like this wee rock that's sticking up there. Just there. I'll be start there in a portrait orientation. Get a picture of this mountain before sunset. And then I'll head back to the car after this wee bit. Get a bite to eat. So I've took this shot for here. I think I took 4 stack. We'll run back. We'll start it here. The wee rock. There's nice wee colours come through for the sunset. And up a wee bit. And up again. And then a couple of exposures for the sky. There's the house. So a couple of exposures for the sky. Anyway, ISO is, put it down. We're at 200. Shutter speed for the last shot was 100. F14. So I'm going to move up to the other bit of falls there, see if we can get a better shot. So for this shot here, we're going portrait mode, and I'm going to take 3 or 4 exposures. I'm going to expose for these bit of grass here, the rock in the water there, the rocks in the middle there, and then the mountain, and portrait orientation, and that's it in camera there. So we're f16 throughout, so we want to get as much detail as we can. The sun's just about setting right behind this mountain. It's lighting up the sky a wee bit. If that moves over towards the mountain, that'd be nice. Or if I walk round that way more. Anyway, a couple more shots and then I'm going to head back to the van. That'll take me an hour to get there. So that's been some walk, right enough, but maybe not an hour, but you know what I mean. At my pace. So we're set up down here. Just on some sketchy rocks. The wind's gusting up there. So we're just in a wee bit of a bit where there's no wind really when we're down here at the camera. Anyway, I'll crack on. So I've done a big bit of a panel here this time. I'm going to include it on. I don't know if you can see it. It's on its side all the way up there, the house, home sweet home. Right, so yeah, a few images to stitch up. And I'll make a nice big square image when it's finished. Well, hopefully we can stitch that together quite well. I'm going to move up here a wee bit now before the darkness comes. Right, so this has been probably my last bit of shot, I think, I don't know. So I've started through here, and I've shot up to the water, to the mountain there, and then I shot along here, back down, watched some rocks in at the bottom there, and framed it up, and took it back again, took some more pictures there, then took one single shot. So I'll be able to stitch most of them together, make a big image. I like making big images, but the light's fading, so I'm going to start heading back to the van, get a bite to eat, and then maybe head home probably, because it is getting darker now. It's been fun, I've been out, a couple of pictures. I've just seen another wee picture up there, so I need to go round about up there, take a wee picture, and then head home. Definitely, honest. There's a deer running away from me. You still see them? Yeah. Must have heard me coming. And so this will be my last shot. It's on the way to the van's right there. Well, it's still up now. It's dark here right enough. But I think there's room for one shot before I'm home. 2 hours to drive home, so may well make a race yet. I'll do this, I'll have a noodle and then I'll go. Right, so my van is just there now. I'm next to it. It's quite dark, as you can see, but a longer exposure gets the light. You can see we get the last light on, no light on the mountain, but you know what I mean, it's can't even focus, it's that dark. So this is the last shot and then home. Get a noodle and home.